Hello, it's Big Chuds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Chuds Trading. You can find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to take a look at something from Trading Wisdom. 50 lessons every trader should know. I'm making the entire book for free in this playlist, and now we're going to do Lesson 6. Experience comes first. Knowing the rules is what gets you to the table, but experience is what keeps you at the table as you manage your risk and you wait for opportunity. They say in poker, it takes a minute to learn and a lifetime to master. It's the same in trading. You can know how to trade in terms of physically opening a trade and closing it. It doesn't mean you know what to do or when you should trade. And the only way to do that is to get experience by staying at the table and getting more trades under your belt. And you do that by properly managing your funds, understanding that each setup has a risk or reward based on how well identified the level is, the price structure, the volume, all the different nuance in the trading setup. And to get better, to add these skills to understand, well, you have to add some skills yourself: classical charting, candlestick theory, other TA methods. Use Elliott waves, Ichimoku, whatever works for you. But you have to stay at the table to get some practice and experience, right? A lot of people start out trading as a hobby. It's for fun. We're just going to see what happens. And they expect they're going to lose a lot of money. But they also think they might get lucky and they might win. But they know that they don't have experience, so their expectations are low. Now, what happens is some of these traders, they decide to take this hobby to the next level. They start to practice. They become dedicated. They start to put in the work and the time it takes. So you need to think about, what are you doing when you're not trading? How much time and effort are you putting in to becoming better? Are you reading textbooks? Are you watching educational videos on TA? Are you studying the price action over the weekend and coming up with a plan for the following week? So you should never be afraid to try to get better. You should never be afraid to ask for help. If you've identified a weakness in your skill set, seek out someone who can help you with that. And know that you'll have to put in work, time, and effort to get there. And take advantage of the fact that there are people, organizations that are willing to help you and teach you out there. There's a lot of great stuff, especially now, if you want to learn how to trade. Now, it doesn't matter. You may have all these textbooks around you, all these great videos, and all the best resources in the world. None of that will matter unless you put in the effort you need to put in to succeed. You have to put in the effort. You have to put in hard work. And your body of work will be your results. It's going to show how much effort you put in, how much you've practiced, and you're going to get out of it what you put into it. So always push yourself as hard as you can to not only survive, but also to thrive as a trader. And remember, no skill worth having can be achieved without practice. And that includes trading. It takes a minute to learn and a lifetime to master, just like poker. So experience comes first, and this is about that process. And this is Lesson 6 from my second book, Trading Wisdom, 50 Lessons Every Trader Should Know. It's available on Amazon. Also here on my YouTube channel at Chuds Trading. Check out the playlist, Trading Wisdom and Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series. Find me on Twitter at Big Chuds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much. We'll talk to you soon. Big Chuds out.